cellular internet connection. In this video, we will see how to connect the ePowerControl to the internet through a SIM card. This video is divided into 5 sections. Required materials: installing the SIM card, platform access configuration, accessing the configuration platform, eConf, configuring the internet connection. Part 1. Required materials. For this, we will need Elms device, Phillips screwdriver, a standard SIM card with an active data subscription, 3 wireless antennas that comes with our device, a laptop, an RJ45 to RJ45 Ethernet cable, a USB to RJ45 adapter, if your laptop lacks a LAN port. Part 2. Installing the SIM card. The SIM card socket is located at the lower panel of Elms device. To install the SIM card, remove the screw and the protective cover to access the socket. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the socket, making sure to keep the screw in sight. Insert the SIM card directly into the socket, ensuring the beveled edge, notched corner, of the card is facing up towards Elms device. Slide it into place until you hear an audible click, indicating it is properly inserted. To remove the SIM card, push it in first to release it. Reattach the protective cover and use the screwdriver to secure it with the screw. Part 3. Platform access configuration. Connect your laptop to the LAN port 4 of Elms device. When properly connected, the LED should start blinking, indicating a valid connection. Access the settings from your laptop. Go to Network and Internet settings. Go to Change Adapter settings. Right-click on Connection to the local network. Select Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select Properties. Select Obtain an IP address automatically to enable automatic IP address allocation. Or select Use the following IP address for manual IP address assignment and enter the settings as shown in the next window. A small TCP/IP window will appear. Click on Yes. Then click on OK to save configuration. Part 4. Accessing the configuration platform, eConf. Open your preferred browser and log into eConf by entering the following IP address: 192.168.4.127. Part 5. Configuring the internet settings. Enter your password to log into eConf and click Sign in to connect. On the left sidebar, click on Network. Click on Configure a new connection. In the Connection Type menu, select Internet Access. Then in the Interface menu, choose 3G access built-in. Enter the required settings, including the PIN code, SIM card PIN, the APN address, and any necessary IDs, username and password. This information should be provided by your service provider. Click OK to save the configuration. Your cellular connection is now configured. Please feel free to contact Elms support or your sales managers. Eager to see you in our next training session.